A damaged plug socket can be very dangerous if it isn't fixed. If you see any live parts of the socket showing, you must not touch or go near the socket for your own safety. Follow these steps to isolate the socket and protect your home and the people you live with. Go to your fuse box and turn off the circuit with a damaged socket or switch. If you're stuck, each fuse should be labelled, so check the labels to find the right circuit. Once isolated, the power to the faulty socket is off and it's safe. Please don't touch the socket or try to repair it yourself. Instead, get in touch with us to arrange a repair. If you can't isolate the damaged item, please let us know immediately and make sure everyone keeps away from it in the meantime. And remember, whenever you isolate a circuit, you must check to see if your smoke and carbon monoxide alarms have been affected. If they are not working, get in touch with us immediately so we can arrange an emergency repair.